I may have actually been wrong in this case. Fidelity may very well be the best brokerage account to invest with. What is going on, guys? If this is your first time here with this channel, my name is Trey and welcome to Let's Talk Finances, where our agenda here is to help you get out of debt, stay out of debt, reach financial independence so that you can ultimately begin building wealth. If that sounds like something that you may be interested in, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. A part of being a man is being able to admit when you're wrong about something. And in my case, I can honestly say that I have been wrong. I've been a diehard Vanguard investor. But because of that, I can wholeheartedly say that I have been very much so biased towards Vanguard. That's not fair to the viewers. That's not fair to the people that have subscribed to my channel. And it's not fair to those individuals who are seeking good advice in terms of investing. What I've decided to do here is do an overhaul on Fidelity. Do a full review, non-biased, to give you guys a 100% accurate accounting. So the bottom line about Fidelity, obviously it's one of the top 3 most popular brokerage accounts that you can begin investing in. However, the bottom line for Fidelity, that it is absolutely one of the very best and most well-rounded brokerage accounts that you can begin investing through. Let's go into what Fidelity actually offers. Number 1, they obviously offer the ability to trade. However, they do so with 0 commission fees. 0. Number 2, they offer a selection of over 3,400 mutual funds as well as exchange traded funds. Far more than you even need. The third thing they offer is a top-notch research tool. Not gonna lie to you guys, Vanguard cannot compare to Fidelity's ability to research the market and research investments. Fidelity stands alone with their ability to show you, the investor, what a true intelligent investment strategy is, and it's all available to you right there on Fidelity's website. To go along with that, their trading platform is very user friendly. Fidelity not only gives you the ability to invest in mutual funds, but also the ability to trade, and their platform is ridiculously user friendly. The next thing is Fidelity's zero fee index funds. I did a video, this one actually, that went over Fidelity zero fee index funds. I think that it was received negatively, and the reason that it was so was because I was doing it from a marketing standpoint. I come from a marketing background, so in my mind it was, oh, okay, the reason that they've created this is to market it in a way to be able to get people into the door. Although I still believe that, but I didn't explain that Fidelity zero fee index funds are great investments. Absolutely great. They have changed the game by offering 0 expense ratio index funds. Nobody else is doing that. Fidelity is the first one. The last thing that Fidelity offers that is a huge bonus is their customer service, in my opinion, is second to none. As an investor, it's very crucial to be able to reach the broker that you are investing through, and you can do so 24/7 with Fidelity. So all of these things that I've just listed are pretty much all pros. They're all great things about Fidelity. However, here in the next section, we're going to be breaking down the actual pros and the cons for Fidelity to help you, the investor, make a more informed and educated decision on which brokerage account you should be going through. So pro number 1, they offer commission-free stocks, mutual funds, and exchange traded funds. That is a huge deal because this is actually where these entities make the bulk of their money. And by offering 0 commission funds, they are a step ahead of the game. Pro number 2, and that is they have a large selection of research providers on their website. Now, what I mean by research website is they have internally multiple entities of which you can look up market value and all information relative to your investment strategies. They are a step ahead of the game in this fact as well. Pro number 3, customer service. I've noted this, but the ability to contact your broker 24/7 in this day and age is unheard of. Vanguard does not offer a 24/7 customer service. Fidelity is ahead of the game. The fourth thing, no fee expense ratios. It's a huge plus. Are they conning you? Absolutely not. They do offer 4 no-fee index funds, and through these you can very much so have a fully diverse portfolio. The fifth thing that has not been spoken about, but I will notate, is that their mobile app is highly rated. Now, even when I went through Fidelity's website through my phone, it's extremely user-friendly, and honestly, it's one of the best that I've ever seen. There's only one con that I can think of. Only one. And this is me really sitting, scouring, and doing hours of research on Fidelity, and the only one con I can really say that there is, they have a very high broker-assisted trade fee. If you are one that is interested in trading, then this might be a negative for you. However, most individuals who are wanting to invest in index funds are in it for the long haul. You're not in it to trade, so this won't even impact you. So is it even really a negative? Probably not. Now, for those of you who are interested in investing in Fidelity index funds, in this video, I actually went over 5 Fidelity index funds that you should be looking at investing in 2021. So watch that video after this one. So what exactly would Fidelity be best for? Well, number one, they would be best for beginners. If you are a beginner investor, I would highly recommend that you go to Fidelity just because their research tools and their customer service. That alone on its own, I say, would probably make it best for a beginner investor. The second thing that it would be best for, retirement investors. Their platform alone, their no fee expense ratios, their zero commission fees, as well as their customer service makes it extremely user friendly, and it also helps those who are investing for retirement to make the best and most well-informed decision. And because of that, I have to say it would probably be best for the retirement investor. Number 3, their research ability. I keep saying it, this has been my 3rd time noting it, but I haven't seen any other platform like this one where they allow you so many platforms in-house to be able to research the funds that you are looking at investing in. And the 4th thing, their fees. For an investor, the number one thing you should be looking at are the expense ratios. Well, doesn't get any better than 0 expense ratios. They offer 4 funds with 0 expense ratios that will allow for you to fully diversify your portfolio. So the next area, I'm going to be highlighting some things that I think are huge pluses for Fidelity. Do they have an account minimum? It's 0. Stock trading costs? It's 0. Options trades fees? It's 0. Account maintenancing fees? It's 0. Do they have commission-free exchange-traded funds? All of them are. How many no transaction fee mutual funds do they have? Over 3,400. How much do they charge customers for trading? It's 0. And lastly, how frequently can you get in contact with Fidelity's customer service? Oh, 24/7. All right, guys, so there you have it. I've went over why you should invest with Fidelity. The most important thing to notate here is not who you invest with. It's actually how you invest in your investment strategy. Doesn't matter if you're investing through Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, M1 Financial, Webull. It doesn't really matter. What matters is your particular investment strategy, and what it should be is you are investing to build generational wealth. So the question is, can you do so through Fidelity? Absolutely, you can. For those of you who are furthermore looking to gain information on investing and you're looking to do so with like-minded individuals, go over to Facebook and join the Let's Talk FIRE Facebook group, where you'll be getting daily relative information on how to get out of debt, become financially free, and begin building wealth. For those of you who have found this video to be useful in any way, please subscribe to this channel, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and lastly, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any other content like this one. Hopefully you've enjoyed this summary and review on Fidelity. They are probably the premier brokerage account to invest through, but I'm still not leaving Vanguard.